In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram Reels video with VistaCreate. By the end, you'll know how to open VistaCreate, choose the correct format, customize a template to fit your brand or story, and export a polished reel that's ready to share. Start by opening your web browser and going to create.vista.com. This is the VistaCreate homepage where you'll find a large library of ready-made designs. It helps to have your photos or short clips organized in a folder so you can quickly add them. Once the page loads, you're in the right place to begin designing without worrying about complicated settings. On the home page, look for the category options and choose social media. This tells VistaCreate you want assets designed for platforms like Instagram, which saves time and prevents sizing mistakes. Selecting the right category ensures your design will fit perfectly on mobile without awkward cropping or black bars. Next, choose Instagram Reel. This opens a vertical 1080 by 1920 canvas, the exact size Instagram expects for Reels. You'll see a gallery of templates designed for different styles, from minimal promos to bold, animated designs. Pick a template that matches your message, then click it to open the editor. Using a template gives you a solid foundation so you can focus on your content instead of building from scratch. Now customize the template. Start by replacing photos. Click any image in the design and choose Replace to upload your own visuals or select from the built-in stock library. Drag and drop your image to fit. VistaCreate will snap it into the placeholder. Double-click text to edit headlines, captions, or calls to action. Keep text short, high contrast, and positioned away from the very bottom so it won't be hidden by Instagram's interface. Adjust colors to match your brand using the color picker or your saved palette. If the template includes multiple pages, think of them as scenes. Reorder or duplicate scenes as needed, and adjust each scene's duration so the pacing feels snappy. Use the preview button often to check flow, readability, and overall rhythm. Center key elements and avoid clutter so viewers grasp your message quickly. When you're happy with the result, click Export. Choose MP4 video for Reels, set the quality to high or 1080p if available, and confirm your settings. Click Download and let VistaCreate render your video. After it saves to your device, play it once to confirm timing and text clarity. Then upload the file to Instagram Reels from your phone, add a caption and relevant hashtags, and you're ready to publish.